Python strings. Strings in Python are identified as a contiguous set of characters represented in the quotation marks. Python allows for either pairs of single or double quotes. Subsets of strings can be taken using the slice operators, in which we're going to discuss it later, with indices starting at 0 in the beginning of the string and working their way from -1 at the end. The plus sign is the string concatenation operator, and the asterisk is the repetition operator of a string. Let's create a string Python script. So let's say this is a string that py. Save it on user scripts, and again, don't forget your shebang line. usr/bin/python. And there, let's say we create a variable string. So we have str, it's equal to, you can use a double quotation or a single quotation marks. At either of it, Python will allow it. Let's say hello world with exclamation. And let's try to print this string. Print str. Hello world. So this line, let's say this line prints, let's put a comment on it. This prints complete string. There. And then we wanted to print the first character of a string. So how do we do that? Let's say print str opening bracket 0 and closing bracket. Let's say this prints first character of the string. So why is it 0? Because the characters are represented through indices from 0 and so on how many characters there are. Let's say H is gonna be the 0, E is gonna be the 1, the first L is gonna be 2, the second is 3, and O is gonna be 4, and 5 is gonna be the space. So these are all allocated in indices. So let's try to run this code. It should print H. Run H. So there you go. You have the H. Let's say I want to print the second character of the string, which is actually 1. So let's put a comment on it. Print second character of the string. So let's try to run this. Run, and there you get an E. Now we wanted to print characters starting from third until the fifth. It is the third to fifth. So let's try to print it by using print str bracket. The third character is actually 0 is H, 1 is E, L is second, which is gonna be the third. So 0, 1, 2. So it's gonna be 2, and from until the fifth. Bracket, and let's say print characters starting from third to fifth. Let's try it. Run it. So you get an L, L, O. Let's say I want to print it from third until seventh. What should be the output? To clarify and make you understand things, so second until the seventh. Prints characters starting from third to seventh. So let's try this. Run it. Oh, there you go. So H is 0, E is 1, L is 2. We started printing it. Another L is 3, O is 4, space is 5, W is 6. So we did not print O because that is where we're gonna end. So that is to clarify what this subset of string is doing. So let's say we wanted to print string starting from third character onwards. So let's try it. So print str to colon bracket. It's a little bit different. Prints string starting from third character. So let's try to run this program. See? So you started from the third, which is the third character, which is L, and then you print the whole string itself. Now let's say I wanted to print strings 2 times. So let's do print str space asterisk 2. So print string 2 times. So we're practicing a documentation here, that's why we're doing some comments. So hello world and hello world. Let's try to put a comma on the end. Let's see what's gonna happen. Print str asterisk 2 comma. Done, and run it. So nothing happened at all. So now next is we wanted to concatenate a string. So let's say print str plus open quotation mark, let's say another string, closing quotation mark. So let's say this one is a print concatenated string. Let's see what's gonna be the output. Run it. So there you see a hello world with another string. So that's how you manipulate a string.
Please subscribe and thank you for watching. Tune in for more videos.